Cybersecurity is a multidisciplinary domain affecting every industry. Did you know that curiosity and a passion for learning are better indicators of future success than a student's technical skills? For the safety and security of our nation, we need to increase both the number and diversity of students seeking careers in cybersecurity. To introduce this new domain to students, educators need training and preparation. They also need curriculum that can be utilized in any classroom without a computer lab or special software. In CyberMiSTS workshops, middle school educators learn about foundations of cybersecurity from experts and explore the diversity of related work roles and career paths. To show how human relations play an important role in cybersecurity, our curriculum is focused on big concepts such as web security, privacy, and data protection. It has many unplugged activities that are away from the keyboard and includes quizzes with answer keys. During the 2-week workshop, each educator develops a lesson plan customized for their students. Educators create branching webcomics where readers make a choice for a character and see the consequences of those choices. Creating the comics helps educators consider how to help their students understand how cybersecurity impacts them. And when used in the classroom, the comics can scaffold students as they learn about the abstract concepts of cybersecurity. Early socialization in cybersecurity may improve related skills and attitudes in middle school students, particularly among underrepresented groups, and improve their access to cybersecurity and STEM areas. We collect data that measures each educator's understanding of key concepts before, during, and after the workshop. Educators then collect and share with us aggregate, anonymized student data from their classrooms. This combined data will provide evidence-based insights into what works in cybersecurity education for middle school educators and students. Our first cohort of educators showed strong gains in cybersecurity vocabulary, self-efficacy, and understanding of concepts and careers. As we continue to analyze outcomes in the second year, we plan to develop curriculum guidelines and resources. In a later stage, we hope to develop an online professional development course for teachers that will enable us to scale up this effort and make a significant impact on cybersecurity education for K-12 students, both in New York and across the nation.